So today we're doing something a bit different, very different camping. We're just gonna camp right by our car today. There's been a lot of recent flooding around here. Well, not in this area, but in certain area where we usually go for camping when we hike in the woods and camp. But today we're just gonna drive up to a camp spot here and just gonna do some camping right by the car because with all the recent flooding we're having right now, a lot of highways are closed and also on the mountain too, a lot of mudslide. We're just gonna take it easy today, drive out to the campsite. It's raining and there's gonna be another downpour tonight and especially tomorrow. It's gonna be a lot of rain, so gonna be a lot more flooding tomorrow. Yeah, it's been lots and lots of rain recently, so yeah, it's gonna get heavier later. The rain's gonna get heavy again, so I think we're gonna start getting our tent up and get started before we're getting too soaking wet. But Sarang's inside the car right now. Just gonna keep her inside and then get our tent set up first, then we'll get her out. Alright guys, all tents all set up, and yeah, the rain is getting pretty heavy. Whew. So I think this is the second time we camp with this tent. Yeah, it's a pretty massive tent, pretty big tent. There's also a wood stove jack here. I'm gonna put a wood stove here tonight. Nice, warm and cozy. Pretty big tent, massive tent especially for the two of us. Sarang's still inside the car, so I think I'm gonna start getting the inside set up, get our sleeping bags and all gear out, start setting everything up, and then we'll get Sarang outside. Enjoy the day. Whew. Beautiful rainy day. Lots and lots of rain to come today. Wow. Alright guys, Sarang's out. We're just gonna let her sit here, and then if she wanna wander off outside, she can. But for the most part, we have shelter for the rain right now. Gonna finish setting up the inside, and then get a fire going, get warmed up and dried up because I'm all soaking wet right now. Yeah, lots of rain. Alright, a lot of rain, a lot of water. Pretty all soaking wet. But earlier, a park ranger just drove by to collect the fee for the campsite, and she told me that this part of the campsite that we're on right now, there is active construction going on. Tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. so pretty early. So we'll have to, not planning to move campsite, but we'll have to leave really early tomorrow morning. I don't want to stay here for the all the construction going on with all the noise and everything. So we're definitely gonna pack up before that happens, hopefully, and get out of here before they start construction. So early in the morning, it's winter hours, and the days are really short now. We're coming up to the shortest day of the year, so it's gonna be pretty dark when we get up in the morning, get everything ready, get our breakfast and all this stuff before construction happens. But that's what it is, and we'll just make it happen. But for now, I'm just gonna get the wood out, get the wood stove started. Brought a bunch of wood from home, get this started, and just kind of get warm and dried up a bit, and start cooking. Alright, there's just too much water collecting on this awning when it's roll over like this. So I got a couple hiking poles here in my car. I always keep a couple hiking poles in the car, and I'm going to use this to raise out the awning, and that will give us some extra cover as well from the rain. Alright guys, got a couple of Christmas decoration here. It's Christmas season, so yeah, kind of get into the spirit of the season. It's gonna be really nice today, nice and cozy. And Christmas is one of my favorite holidays. It's nice, peaceful, especially when there's snow. Hopefully we get some snow soon. It'll be so perfect if it was snowing right now. So yeah, I think we're all set up. Just gonna grab some wood, get this wood stove started, and start warming up, dry it up, and start cooking our dinner. Getting pretty hungry now, and it's gonna get dark soon too. So probably gonna get some light out, get a couple light, and then you know what? I think I'm gonna get the wood stove started first. Just want to get that going, get some heat, and yeah, I'm just gonna try and get dinner going soon. Alright guys, it's officially dark. Completely dark now. So it's time for dinner. Getting hungry. Got our Christmas tree lit up, or not Christmas tree, Christmas house lit up. Pretty nice now. So let's get dinner started. It's got both fire going really well. Nice fire in front of us. Actually, I'm gonna shut this door. And shut this door behind us. Get some heat inside the tent, and start cooking our dinner. Alright, we'll start with Sarang's dinner. It's gonna boil some water, and then got some nice beef tenderloin for her. Alright guys, dinner's ready to, it smells so good and it's so warm right now with this hot soup noodles and a fire right beside me and a fire in front of us. Yeah, it smells so good right now. I'm so hungry, so excited to get this started. And yeah, my pants and everything, well, except for the sweater, but my pants are all dry now. This pants is, I love this pant. I've had it for about a year almost now, and it get wet, but it dries very fast. So I was very surprised today too. It got dried up pretty fast. Well, especially when I'm sitting right beside the fire, right? So, but yeah, it's really nice right now. So I'm gonna enjoy my dinner, get it started. Got a nice, I think this is like some type of orange drink, Mandarin soda. So yeah, let's get it started. Alright guys, dinner is done. That was surprisingly delicious. It's pretty good. A lot better than I expected for sure. The only thing about that soup is I need more vegetable. It's quite a lot of meat. Yeah, I need more vegetable. The only vegetable in there was just green onions. And yeah, that was it. It would be really nice with some kimchi or maybe some radish. Yeah, more vegetable would be really nice. But no complaint, it's a really good dish. If I ever do that again, I'll definitely add some more vegetable for sure. But right now, I'm full, warm, toasty. I'm toasty. And Sarang is just inside the tent, just relaxing. We just had a little walk around here. It's raining a lot, non-stop. So just had a quick walk around here after dinner. Let her stretch her leg and pee. So she's all done for the night and ready to head to bed. She's pretty much ready to sleep. But still pretty early in the evening, but it's dark. So I think we're gonna shut this door or shut all the doors, and then we're just gonna relax and hang around inside the tent. Maybe cook up some snack. Got a sweet potato yam. Maybe I'll do some potato yams and share with Sarang, do some snack. But other than that, just gonna relax, maybe watch a movie, download a movie on my phone, so maybe watch a movie, and then just gonna really relax, enjoy the rain today. It's so peaceful right now. The rain is so relaxing. Can't hear anything else but besides the raindrop falling down, hitting the tent. So really nice. Alright, good morning guys. It's raining quite a lot this morning, but 2 minutes ago the rain kind of stopped for like 10 minutes. That was kind of strange. It just completely stopped. But this morning when we woke up at 5 a.m. it got really heavy this morning. Honestly I was concerned for a bit this morning when we woke up that there would be a big flood, because it was raining all night, and especially this first thing in the morning. It was like the hardest rain I've ever heard. It was so loud. Got me a bit concerned, but it only lasted for about 10-15 minutes. But it's still raining right now. It's pretty heavy too, and it's a lot of water. But we're all dry in here. We're all dry. Everything is completely dry inside the tent, so warm as well. Nice fire. So I think we're gonna start out coffee. Oh yeah, our sleep last night was really good. Nice, warm and toasty. Didn't keep the fire going all night though. Just kind of let it die out whenever it died out. And I got the sleeping bag and everything else in here for us, and just kept us warm. Nice, warm and toasty last night. Really nice night last night. Beautiful. Really nice rest and relaxing. But early in the morning, still dark. I think it's like just past 6, yeah, just past 6 a.m. right now. We woke up at 5, just hang around for an hour or so, and 6 a.m. right now, and still completely dark outside. But light should start coming out in an hour or so. So we're gonna start getting our breakfast going, get our coffee, and got some bread I want to toast off, a couple eggs, and get the regular breakfast, get her started. Then we'll pack up and get out of here, because like I said, the construction guys are coming in at 8, so we need to be out of here by hopefully by then. Alright, breakfast ready. Nice piece toasted bread with a couple of sunny side eggs. And I'll leave it here for now, keep it warm. Got a couple of fresh coffee. Yeah. coffee, fresh. It's raining quite a lot, but yeah, let's get breakfast started. Alright guys, the construction guys are here. They're getting ready to yeah, all of them are coming in, so they're getting ready to get started their day, get working. I think they're doing some trail cleaning, and I think they might make some more campsite around here. I saw them a lot of construction equipment. So I think we're gonna start packing up pretty soon here, or gonna start packing up now, and then let's get out of here, get out of the way, let them work, and they'll make this campsite a lot better in the future for sure. Making, I think they're mostly cutting a lot of the dead trees down, and then making a new path. I think like more trails, and especially more trail down to the lake. There's a beautiful lakes here, so we're excited to see what comes of this campsite. But for now, I'm just gonna start packing up and get out of here, let these guys work. So gonna end the trip here, guys. It's been a really fun one, came the rain, but it's nice that the rain stopped now that we're still about to pack up. So hopefully it stay like this. So let's start packing up now, and while the rain holds up for a bit. So I hope you guys enjoy this trip as much as we did. Until then, guys, I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Take care.